So today we're going to be speaking to the advantages of using the LEA WebUI. So what we see here in the WebUI is that we are never more than 3 clicks away from making any adjustments or configuration to the amplifier that we need. So what we'll start with here is we see our input menu, where we can select from all of our available input sources, including our input fixer. Once we finish that setup process, we would then go to our output configuration, where we would configure a channel for low Z, high Z, 70 volt, 100 volt operation. We have a signal generator, our crossover section, output EQ adjustment, output limiting, and then our load monitor section. Another thing that we've added recently to the WebUI is what we call quick setup mode. And as you can see, it greatly reduces the number of options that we need to get the entire amplifier configured for the mode of operations.